Tragedy in Udhampur. Two policemen found dead in mysterious circumstances. On a chilling Thursday morning, two policemen were found dead inside a police van near the Kali Mata temple in Udhampur's Rihambal area. The bullet-riddled bodies were spotted around 6:30 am, sending shockwaves through the region. The officers were traveling from Supur, North Kashmir, to the subsidiary training center in Talwara, Riyazi district. What happened inside the van? The grim scene raised immediate questions. What led to the firing inside the police van? Why were two officers shot dead, while a third officer traveling with them remained unharmed? According to an official statement, initial investigation suggests that this was a case of fratricide followed by suicide. But what could have driven such a tragic turn of events? Who were the victims? The deceased include the driver constable and a head constable whose identities are yet to be disclosed. Meanwhile, a selection grade constable who escaped unhurt is now at the center of the investigation. Officials have been confirmed he is being questioned for any leads. Soon after receiving the information, a police team rushed to the spot and moved the bodies to the district hospital for post-mortem. Senior police officials are now probing the incident, piecing together what transpired during the journey. Was there a personal dispute? Could there have been a sudden trigger that escalated into violence? Fratricide in the forces, a growing concern. This incident once again highlights concerns about fratricide, a tragic phenomenon where members of the same force turn on one another. Stress, long working hours, and unresolved conflicts are often cited as contributing factors. Could such reasons be behind this tragedy as well? The incident has left the community and the police force grappling with grief and questions. Stay tuned as we bring updates on this unfolding investigation. What are your thoughts on the stress forced by law enforcement personnel? Could better mental health support have made a difference?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.